How do we know the Sabbath is the seal of God and Sunday observance is the mark of the beast? What does 666 signify?
Those are big questions that require a lot of explanation. And I don't have the time tonight, but I'll say this. In the Sabbath commandment, we have God's title, we have the area of his supremacy, and we have his name. It is found in no other commandment. Listen to the fourth commandment. Remember the Sabbath day to keep it holy. 6 days shalt thou labor and do all thy work. But the seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. So we have the Lord God. In it thou shalt not do any work. Thou, nor thy son, nor thy daughter, thy manservant, nor thy maidservant, nor thy cattle, nor thy stranger that is within thy gates. For in 6 days the Lord made heaven and earth. This is the area of his rulership. Heaven and earth. His name is Lord, his name is God, and his title is Creator. And that is what is found on seals, including the seal of the United States. The title, the name, and the area of rulership. That's where it's found, right in the fourth commandment. 666 is still a debatable question. It is still debatable because you can find a lot of famous people whose names, if converted to Latin, will come up to 666, I believe, including Ellen White. And so 666 has to be viewed very carefully. The church really has no definitive doctrinal position on what really 666 is.